Hello, I'm Suzanne Donovan. Today I'm joined by Rachel Heideck. We're going to be discussing organizing around health and safety in the context of the current COVID-19 pandemic and ways to make positive change in your workplace for you and your coworkers. So this video will cover how Amazon workers across the country are coming together to push back against Amazon's anti-worker, profit-focused business model during the COVID-19 pandemic. Switch. Okay. Uh, Amazon workers' movement for better working conditions was growing before the pandemic began, but has only become more visible since then because of the company's unsafe practices. Since the start of the pandemic, Amazon workers across the country have staged work actions in response to COVID-19. Warehouse workers, flex workers, and tech workers have all participated in these actions, demonstrating cross-job solidarity within the company. This solidarity comes from all of the things that unite Amazon workers. They work for the same extremely profitable employer under many of the same policies, and they are extremely busy and work in high pressure environments. Next slide. Uh, the actions Amazon workers have participated in were motivated by common issues, including positive COVID tests of workers and a lack of disclosure to other workers in that workplace. The unjust firings of worker leaders like Bashir Muhammad and Christian Smalls, insufficient cleaning of facilities, inadequate sick time policies, and a refusal to extend their temporary unlimited unpaid time off policy, as well as a lack of effective contact tracing. Workers in warehouses and other Amazon workplaces across the country have organized walkouts, strikes, protests, sickouts, and consumer pressure campaigns, including boycotts. Even when entire workplaces have not participated in these actions, they have attracted a lot of negative attention to Amazon at the national level. Next slide.
So to dive a little deeper into a specific group of Amazon workers, we can talk about the work that's being done at a warehouse in Shakopee, Minnesota. Workers at this location have been organizing for better working conditions for the past couple years, and in the past have pulled off work stoppages and won a worker-selected safety committee. Unfortunately, that safety committee has since been canceled, but they're working on it. Most recently, they walked out in the middle of the night on April 26th after one of their coworkers, Faiza Osman, was fired for staying home to watch her children. They demanded that she be reinstated and that no future retaliation against workers who speak out be taken. They also demanded a shutdown and deep cleaning of the facility with full pay for workers, an extension of the unlimited unpaid time off or UPT policy, and to reinstate the canceled worker selected safety committee. As a result of all of their organizing, as well as a 50+ person walkout, Faiza Osman was reinstated. Although their other demands at that Shakopee warehouse have not yet been met, this campaign is just another step in their fight for a voice on the job. You can switch slides. You can keep up with their campaign on their Facebook page, which is called the Awood Center. And it's a worker center that focuses on building East African worker power. So if you want to improve the conditions of your workplace during COVID-19 and always, here are some initial steps that you can take. You can talk to your coworkers about improving these working conditions and concerns. You can discuss concrete changes to improve the workplace. Another good step is to evaluate resources, including organizational assets, customers, clientele, community partners, media, and employer-employee relations. Developing concrete goals that would lead to the changes you want is also a good step, as well as developing a plan, including tactics and methods to achieve those goals.
If you have questions about any of the things that we've discussed in this video, or would like to start organizing in your workplace, you can contact us at 716-206-3550, which is our hotline and is available in 14 languages. You can also contact us via email at inquiry@winkosh.org, and we're happy to answer any questions you have about your workplace and your rights.